Yeah.
What's going on, everybody? I'm CJ over here at Limitless Lithium. Don't forget to subscribe to YBass's YouTube channel. Leave a comment down below what you thought. Hit the notification bell so you know every time YBass posts a new video. Also, check out YBass at ybassworld.com for top names in the audio industry.
That's nice. That sounds really good. If you don't mind, you tell me a bit about the system.
Start right here.
Yeah.
So I've got 6 EP6015s. All right, so I've got 6 EP6015s in a fourth order. It is a 2.5 to 1. It's got 7600. Everything's Cosmos audio, wired at half phone. Depending on frequency, 22 to 3200 watts per sub. Doors are done. 8-inch sub or 8-inch mid ranges. 2 depth bounce tweeters per door.
And what's your name?
Shaun.
Shaun, nice to meet you. It's definitely a nice build you have here.
I appreciate it.
I love the box.
Appreciate it.
The box is kind of gnarly. So yeah, that's is it
something different?
so it glows in the dark, everything, all that. So yeah, this is a very nice box, different setup. And I've been seeing you demoing pretty much for the last hour.
You can feel the sub.
And they're not hot at all.
I can play all day.
Yep.
The amps are just as cool.
Yeah. So yeah, no. I've been watching him and he's been over here demoing.
I still got 4 more clicks left. It's just there's no sense in it.
Yeah, and he's blowing everybody away over here.
I appreciate it.
Yes, appreciate the demo.
Yes,
thank you.
Yes, sir.
Hey yo, Brody.
Look, She like the way it drip drop, pushes in a pit stop. Pine saw clean, out your door, let you know. Till I chop a bit block, pulling in a zip lock, sticky in the middle, watch your door, let it show. In the city, I'm the sis God, known for the big rock. And I'm with the missile, watch your door, let you know. Little nigga been hot, baby, drop a pin drop. Shouldn't brother key if you couldn't take a smoke. Set focus on a shot, no need for a scope. Damn, heaters on the block, no need for a coat. Right off the jet, laying out in the boat. Yeah, I think I'm in an A, but I'm on up on the coast. With a bad little hip, on it, let it give me throw. Throw a couple hundred, so I steady give it hope. Started with a prayer, but we ended with a toast. Only seeing dead faces when I'm rounding that ghost. I guess the bone, but no up the stars. These LLCs working, we duck on these laws. Double the price, then we pass on the job. But if you start tweaking, we taking it off. Don't be confused.